Hello everyone and welcome back to our Jewellery CAD design course. I'm thrilled to have you join me for day 2 where we will be diving into the wonderful world of Rhinoceros or Rhino as we all call it. Today is all about getting you up and running with this powerful software that will become your best friend in jewelry design. If you are just joining us, don't worry. Today we are starting with the absolute basics. What Rhino is, what you need to run it, and how to get it installed on your computer. By the end of today's session, you will not only have Rhino installed, but you will also know your way around the interface and create your first object. How exciting is that? So what exactly is Rhinoceros 3D? Well, in the simplest terms, it's a 3D computer-aided design software or CAD software that's incredibly powerful for creating precise models of anything you can imagine. For us, jewelry designers, it's brilliant because it allows us to create highly detailed, intricate designs that can later be 3D printed or manufactured. What makes Rhino special is that it's based on NURBS geometry. Don't worry if that sounds like gibberish at the moment. All you need to know right now is that it allows you to create incredibly smooth, accurate curves and surfaces, perfect for the flowing lines we often want in jewelry design. Now let's talk about what you will need to run Rhino comfortably. The good news is that Rhino isn't actually as demanding as some other 3D software out there, but there are some minimum requirements to keep in mind. For a comfortable experience, here is what I would recommend. A reasonably modern computer. It doesn't need to be top of the range, but something within the last 5 years is ideal. At least 8 GB of RAM for 16 GB will give you a smoother experience, especially with complex designs. A mouse with a scroll wheel is a must. You will be using this constantly. A good quality display with decent resolution. You will be looking at detailed models all day. If you are wondering about the exact specifications, I've put a link in the description below that will take you to Rhino's official hardware recommendations page. What about cost? Well, Rhino for Windows or Mac currently costs about €1,000 for a commercial license or €195 for a student license if you qualify. The good news is that it's a one-time purchase, not a subscription, and includes free technical support and minor upgrades. But before you reach for your wallet, here is the brilliant bit. Rhino offers a fully functional 90-day trial which we'll be using for this course. This means you can learn everything we are teaching without spending a penny initially, and only invest in the software when you are sure it's right for you. Some of you might be wondering, do I need any additional hardware for jewelry design? While not essential for beginners, some tools that can enhance your experience include a second monitor to give you more screen real estate for your design and tool palettes. A dedicated graphic card is helpful but not absolutely essential for beginners. But remember, none of these are necessary when you are just starting out. A standard computer with a good mouse will serve you perfectly. Any question about hardware or costs? Feel free to pop them in the comments and I will answer them as soon as I can.